Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing the file and context. Make a backup, then open the workbook and enable editing so you don't lose work. This prevents accidental overwrite. Once open, scan sheet names, hidden rows, and columns to find where data lives. Note the key columns and data types because changing a number versus text will alter formulas. Also check for external links and named ranges. They can break when you update values, so be aware before you change anything. You now perform the core edits. Convert ranges to tables for structured updates and add data validation to prevent bad entries. When importing or pasting, use paste special right arrow values to avoid bringing unintended formats or formulas, make targeted formula edits, and use relative versus absolute references intentionally. Once done, refresh external connections and force recalculation with F9 so dependent cells update. Make sure to check downstream sheets and charts to confirm your changes propagated correctly, because invisible links often hide errors. You finish by validating and locking your work. Run spell check, inspect key formulas, and save a timestamped version so you can revert if needed. Protect sheets or lock critical cells to prevent accidental edits, and add a short revision note explaining what changed and why. If something goes wrong, cells show errors or totals differ, use trace precedence and trace dependence to find upstream issues, then undo or restore the backup. Make sure to test final outputs, because a small change can ripple through reports.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.